Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
In this video, we will be removing and reinstalling an airbag in a 2009 Chevy Suburban. If you are not reusing your airbag, be sure to have someone who is qualified to discharge and dispose of it properly. And if you need any parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. We're going to remove the airbag. Before we do that, we want to make sure we take the key out, make sure the steering wheel is straight with the wheels going straight ahead, and we're going to disconnect the battery. I'm going to use a 10mm wrench. We're going to disconnect the negative post on the battery. Just loosen this up a little bit. And you can grab it and wiggle it back and forth. I can take it and put it up, tuck it out of the way. Once the battery's disconnected, before we go to work on the airbag, we want to wait 1 minute. That will drain all the capacitors out of the modules and it'll be safe to work on. Okay. To disconnect the airbag, we're going to need a blunt tool. This was actually a straight pick that had broken anyway, so we just filed down a little bit to make it flat. So what you're going to do is right in this hole over here, you're going to have to feel around, and I'll show you once I pull the airbag out where it is, but there is a little spring that you have to push on that retains the airbag in there. It's somewhat difficult to do. Gotta feel around for it. And then push a little pressure and then pull, and we're going to do the same with the other side. You push that down, and this pulls right up. And this is where it's clipped in. And I'll show you those little springs in here. As you can see, my blunt tool is in here, so you have to feel around here. And when it's in place, you're pushing that in. It's somewhat difficult to do, but if you feel around, you can push it in. To disconnect the connectors, I'm going to use a straight blade tool. Just get underneath this lock right here. You could use a pick also. Pull that out. And pull the other one out as well. Just get under there. Pull that. You can actually just pull it up. The other one pulled out completely. And then there's two retainers here, two locks. We're going to push those in. I'm going to use my finger for one, the screwdriver for the other, and that'll pull out. So those are the two locks. And then same with the white one. Pull that out. And we can pull the airbag out. We want to set this down on a bench, just like this. Make sure there's nothing electrical near it. You do not want to set it on its face. Okay, this lock popped off when we were taking it out, so we're going to put that back in first. It's going to go on like that. I don't want to push it all the way down. Just get it just in there like that. Now we'll reconnect our airbag. So there's grooves in these terminals. You can see there's two on there. You can see on the airbag, two grooves on that side. So this one goes in like this. And once that clicks, then you can push the lock down like that. And then this white one has one groove, And the groove goes right there. Lock that, and lock it. And the airbag's in the right position. Make sure the wires aren't pinched or anything. Push it. And then we're gonna line these two little tabs up with those holes. And push it down. We're gonna reconnect our battery. Grab the negative cable. I'm gonna hook it back up. Now I'm gonna use my 10mm wrench and tighten down the nut. Not too tight. You don't want to break the terminal. Tighten it, check it, make sure it doesn't wiggle. Seems good. So we're gonna turn the key on. You want your body not pressed right up against the airbag. This is a safe repair. It should not go off, but just in case something does happen, you want your body further away. So you can turn the key on, and we're gonna look at the airbag light right here, and it should flash 7 times and then go out. And it did. And that means your airbag system is working properly.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.